8 Creative Logo Design Trends for 2024, from illustration to multicolored gradients. Looking for logo design inspiration? Here are the top logo design trends predicted for 2024. Logo design is an essential aspect of branding. Your logo is often the first recognizable element of your brand or business that people see, and a great logo is key to making a good impression on potential clients or customers. We've seen no shortage of logo designs emerge throughout 2023, with new styles being developed all the time. And while logo trends may come and go, there will always be elements of logo design that are here to stay. As we approach 2024, we're all ready to take on the future with a fresh outlook and a new perspective. So, whether you're building a new brand or revamping an existing one, now is the perfect time to give your logo a makeover. Ready for some serious logo inspiration? From retro design and hand-drawn elements to multicolored gradients and glitch logos, here are the top logo design trends we're predicting for 2024. Please visit our website 99designstrends.com for more details. 1. Nature logo design. 2. Throwback logos. 3. Clearer fonts. 4. Stripped back branding. 5. Multicolored gradients. 6. A sense of movement. 7. Ditching containers. 8. Glitch logos. 1. Nature logo design. As customers increasingly seek out companies with sustainable credentials, it's never been more important for brand logos to convey an eco-friendly message, where there is one. Adding natural elements to your logo design can be a simple way to communicate that your brand is environmentally conscious and committed to doing good. Illustrations and motifs. Natural logo designs typically feature illustrations and motifs that convey the feel of the great outdoors. For example, this colorful, floral-themed logo for the UK's Wilderness Festival, where attendees are invited to get back to nature while camping among lakes, forests, and parklands. To add delicate petals and beautiful blooms to your logo, try out this floral wreath Save the Date by Roselindo and simply customize the text to suit your project. Natural color palettes. Natural color palettes are having a moment in design, and lend themselves perfectly to logos. However, you want people to instantly clock your brand, so make sure to choose a unique blend of colors to represent you. Take for example luxury skincare label Aesop's instantly recognizable logo, featuring minimal serifs and a little dash above the E, which really pops in contrast with the neutral background. Aesop's mushroom beige and sunset pink to forest green, and sky blue packaging and collateral stands out with a color palette inspired by nature. Hand-drawn logos. Hand-drawn elements are another way to get back to basics and add a rustic feel to your logos. For example, skincare brand Mad Hippie opts for a simple combination of a leaf and a heart-shaped flower to represent its natural beauty products and commitment to conservation. Grow your brand with hand-drawn feminine logo template by Holismed, which features editable colors and text, and channels an organic, DIY feel. Or give your logo plenty of room to breathe with this simple, single-line illustration that quickly establishes a clear and unique brand identity. 2. Throwback logos. Over the past few years, we've seen brands return to their roots with rebooted versions of their classic logo designs. For instance, British confectionery company Cadbury have recently added a contemporary twist to their old-school packaging. Evoking a sense of childhood nostalgia, their new logo features the iconic glass of milk and swirling Cadbury signature, representing the company's commitment to their age-old recipe. I've observed more brands leaning into their past to realize the power of their history and heritage, says Envato UX designer, Sean Feehan. There is something beautiful about combining the best aspects of former styles with current best practices to create something relevant that honors the past. Minimal vintage coffee grinder logo. If you want a throwback logo to channel a vintage sensibility, check out this retro coffee grinder logo from Envato Elements. To learn more about integrating 60s, 70s, or 80s influences into your designs, check out these retro design trends and browse a selection of 70s logos. Please visit our website 99designstrends.com for more details. 3. Clearer fonts. When it comes to cutting through the noise, a clear and uncluttered brand logo will stand out from the crowd and aid customer recognition. With simplicity trending in design this year, it's no wonder that brands are ditching the twirling cursive and superfluous details in favor of clear, easy-to-read typography which is more readable across a range of devices and screen sizes. Recently, fast food chain Sweetgreen prioritized legibility by removing their inverted lettering. The shift towards a clearer look and feel is also supported by a two-tone color palette that really highlights the brand's logo. 4. Stripped-back branding. Clearer fonts also play into our next logo design trend, stripped-back branding. Many companies are now overhauling their visual identities in favor of a more simplistic style to give their brand a modern feel. Take French car manufacturer Renault, who recently revealed their new geometric logo design. Simple yet effective, the latest iteration of its classic diamond logo stays true to the brand's original identity while being more applicable to a range of modern use cases. Geometric shapes are regularly used to add structure and communicate stability in logo design. To try out this trend, experiment with this fully editable logo template from Pixelsquare, which features an eye-catching repeated diamond pattern. 5. Multicolored gradients. While gradients have been trending for a while now, multicolored gradients have recently made their way into the world of logo design. Adobe uses this trend in its Creative Cloud logo, which features a blend of colors representing the various tools within the brand's portfolio. We see magenta for InDesign, blue for Photoshop, orange for Illustrator, and so on. In this sense, Adobe uses multicolor gradients to establish a clear and consistent brand identity across all of its products and services. 6. A sense of movement. We're also seeing tilted or slightly curved logos being used to create a dynamic sense of movement. Associated with speedy service and quick thinking, this style is synonymous with progress and innovation. Take a look at this logo from money transfer app Wise, which is referred to as the fast flag. Their forward-leaning, flying-in-the-wind logo perfectly represents their USP of sending and receiving cash quickly and seamlessly, appearing across the brand's website, app, and social media profile pictures. 7. Ditching containers. Just as this year's logo design trends include clearer fonts and stripped-back branding, we're also seeing brands free their logos from containers. Please visit our website 99designstrends.com for more details. In its redesigned logo, Visa has removed the traditional rectangle that resembles a credit card to create a more visually streamlined result. Improving the clarity of the brand's visual identity on both small screens and dynamic platforms, it also acknowledges a move towards cardless payments. 8. Glitch logos. Imitating the imperfections of television static or misprinted colors, glitch logos are great for giving your brand a futuristic edge. We see this trend really having an impact in the TikTok logo, which communicates the performative element of the platform. The logo's shifting and overlapping colors give it a DIY aesthetic, which aligns with the user-generated content hosted on the app. That does it for the logo design trends you'll be seeing in 2023. To stay up to speed with more trends content, check out our graphic design trends and color trends for 2023. Please visit our website 99designstrends.com for more details.